Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get paid from Yelp for removing spam comments. First, go to your browser and search for Yelp careers. Now, once the website opens, tap on the search bar. Here, tap Content Modulation Specialist. Then tap on Search. Now scroll down and check all the job listings. Now look for any job related to remove spams, comments, or content review. If you find a similar role, tap on it to open. Now scroll down and read the job details carefully. If the job matches what you're looking for, then tap on Apply. After that, tap on Apply for this job online. Now prepare your application. Make sure to add your moderation skills, your experience with online content, and highlight any attention to detail you have. If you have any positive reviews or past experience, add to that. Then upload your cover letter and resume. Once you're ready, tap Submit. Now wait for a response from Yelp. These jobs are not always available, so keep checking the site regularly. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.